I got this so that I could use my lap desk and just put it across the top, and also so I can recline and use my nice cool monitor, and everything fits. It works well. I'll just say that when you're putting it together, there's plugs underneath the center of the chair and under the right arm. It took me a while to see both, so looks great. It's nice. The plugs, there's plugs back here for USB and for an outlet, and that's about what the storage looks like on depth. And I'm a 5'9" person weighing 220, and it fits me well.
This is the chair going up.
Bourbon barbecue sliders combine the best of authentic barbecue meats, pickle, sauce.
Now I won't go down. And I have time to hit the button. Stays upright. Does this for hours. Sometimes a day. Please tell me the arm. This button. Thank you.